Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting math problem. Today, we have an interesting and challenging question that involves the sum of cube roots of numbers. Put away your calculators because we are going to solve it without any digital assistant. Here is the challenge. Without a calculator, find the value of the following expression. Before we dive into the solution, let me offer you a hint. Consider the concept of expanding a plus b power 3, which leads to a power 3 plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b power 3. Take your time, grab your pen and paper, ponder this expression, and if necessary, seek help from friends and teachers. When you're ready, we'll explore the solution together. Let's begin. Let's recall the expansion we mentioned earlier. A plus b power 3 equals a power 3 plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b power 3. It is a fundamental algebraic concept that will play a key role in solving our problem. Now, write the expression 6 times 100 to the power of 1 over 3 minus 12 times 10 to the power of 1 over 3 minus 2 as 3 times 2 times 100 to the power of 1 over 3 minus 3 times 2 square times 10 to the power of 1 over 3 minus 2. Take note that 100 to the power of 1 over 3 is actually equals to 10 to the power of 2 over 3, which equivalently 10 to the power of 1 over 3 square. And for 2, it is 10 minus 2 to the power of 3, which can be expressed as 10 to the power of 1 over 3 power 3 minus 2 power 3. By changing these numbers as mentioned, we can see a clearer pattern. Let me write down the numbers and see if you can recognize the pattern. I encourage you to pause the video now and continue with the calculation, as I believe most of you are able to find the answer by yourself at this point. As you predicted, the expression is indeed 2 minus 10 to the power of 1 over 3 power 3. Therefore, the cube root of this expression is 2 minus 10 to the power of 1 over 3. And finally, the answer for today's question is 2. In this lesson, we are not only successfully solved what might have seemed like an impossible task for many without using a calculator, but I also hope you have gained more confidence in tackling similar questions. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.